Most of the tools in my collection are obsolete and have been discontinued, or at least they've been on the market for many years. This is an exception to that. This tool, I believe, has been introduced within the past decade and possibly introduced in the past 5 years. I'm not really sure when it came out. What this is a noise reduction tool. This is based on the frame of a DX350 or clone tool, and it only shares a few minor parts with the DX350 or clone tool, such as the trigger, some springs, maybe a few other parts. And it's for working indoors when low noise levels are required. The tool is pretty light, thin, and easy to maintain. The only parts that are removable from the tool for cleaning are the piston and the nose piece. There is no reset pin. The barrel is sealed in the tool. It is not removable without dismantling some of the tool. And because of this, there's no way to reset the piston other than to push it back with the pin. And because of that, the nose piece is a universal nose piece. It fits different sizes of pins. We have these numbers here: 100, 125, 75, 100 again, and 150. This red collar, depending on where it's located, sets the length of the nose piece for the pin. This is the selector chart on the lid of the toolbox. The pins and loads for the tool are proprietary. You have to use their pins and loads. Because of the different lengths and nose pieces for the different length pins, they are color coded. There's color coding of the nose pieces and the pins, all the way from 5/8 to 2.5 inches. I'd like to see what this tool would do with 2.5 inch pins, but I don't have those pins and I don't have the nose piece for it. Maybe someday I'll get it and be able to try it out. Here's the powder loads down here. The levels they have are gray, brown, and green. It only goes up to green.